Question 4. In Year 9 at Modern School, there are 140 girls and 84 boys. Write the ratio of girls to boys in its simplest terms. So we've got the ratio 140 to 84. So we can find some numbers that go into 140 and 84. Probably the easiest here is 2, because they're both even. So how many 2's go into 140? That's 70. How many 2's go into 84? That's 42. It should be easier to recognise here that 7 will still go into both of these. Now, how many 7's go into 70 is 10. And how many 7's go into 42 is 6. Is there anything that will still go into 10 and 6? Well, yes there is, because they're both still even. So 2 must go into both of them. How many 2's go into 10 is 5. And how many 2's go into 6 is 3. So that is the ratio 5 to 3 in its simplest terms. Part B. In Year 10 the ratio of girls to boys is 3 to 2. There are 240 students in this year group. How many boys are there? So if we've got the ratio 3 to 2, it's not telling us how many girls or how many boys there are, it's telling us the total. So we need to add the parts together here. We've got 3 add 2 tells us there are 5 parts. So what we need to do now is work out what 5 has been multiplied by to turn it into 240 down here. And on our calculator we can work that out by doing 240 divided by 5. If we do that, we find that it's been times by 48. So all we've got to do now is the same thing to this 3 and this 2. If we times them both by 48, then we'll get our answer. 2 times 48 is 96. So 3 times 48 is going to be 144. Now the question asks for the ratio of girls to boys, and boys therefore is represented by this 2. So there are 96 boys. So the answer is 96.